Welcome to an incredible journey. Today, I've got something revolutionary to show you. Ever imagined designing your dream space effortlessly with just a few clicks? Well, brace yourself because we're diving into the world of Veris AI, an extraordinary tool that unlocks the potential of AI for space design like never before. Veris AI isn't just any ordinary design tool, it's your key to a cutting-edge, AI-powered space design experience. Let's break it down. First up, the Smart Floor Plan Creator. Imagine effortlessly crafting your space by simply inputting dimensions, layouts, and furniture. The magic begins here. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, log in or sign up for free on the Veris AI website. Click Create to enter the workspace. Describe your dream space in the text input box. Veris AI interprets it and generates a floor plan for you to tweak. Switch styles with a click. Watch as Veris AI transforms your space based on your preferences. Finally, hit Render to witness the magic. Veris AI crafts a breathtakingly realistic image of your dream space. And there you have it. Your dream space brought to life effortlessly with Veris AI. But hey, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Veris AI holds endless possibilities for your creativity. What design would you love to create? Share your thoughts, ideas, and feedback in the comments below. And remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more AI tool explorations and innovations.